Only Unilock offers EasyClean, a proprietary technology that helps protect pavers and walls from stains. Unlike aftermarket sealers, which merely coat the top, EasyClean goes beyond the surface and becomes integral to the product during manufacturing, allowing for easier cleanup of spills when they happen, before a stain can develop. Let's watch how EasyClean works. We applied some common stain-causing materials to two pavers. The one on the left is a traditional paver. The one on the right has been manufactured with EasyClean Technology. Watch as we use a simple soap and water solution to remove the substances. Unlike the traditional paver, which is left with unsightly stains, the EasyClean paver is as good as new. Don't risk spoiling your next project with stains that could have been prevented. Ask for EasyClean by name. Only from Unilock.